course, with the spring finally here, the potential for rain and thunderstorms really increases. And so all week, our 10 weather impact team is working to make sure that you are ready when severe weather moves into the region. It's coming.
It's coming. Here's 10 TV Chief Meteorologist Jerry Martz with what you need to know when lightning strikes.
Now, you may be surprised to find out that one of the scariest parts of a thunderstorm, lightning, is caused by something we've all experienced. It's essentially a giant discharge of static electricity. There's a lot going on inside those thunderstorms with ice and water racing up and down, separating that electrical charge, the negatives from the positives, and that's where a lightning flash begins. So we'll walk you through quickly. The first thing is that separation of the negatives and the positives, and then starting down from the cloud, that's called the stepped leader. As the leader draws positive charge from the ground and those two begin to meet, that charge actually begins that electrical flow of current. Then that's what we see. Now, that flash happens at the speed of light, 60,000 miles per second, and once that path is established, then that flash can happen or flicker several times over and over again until that lightning charge is balanced. Now, one thing to keep in mind, that takes place in less than a second. Do what you can to keep you and your family safe. Very important to keep that in mind is that most of the lightning that we see is from the cloud down to the ground or the cloud within the cloud. Other types of lightning happen from the cloud to the sky or from one part of the cloud to another, or very rarely from the ground up to the cloud. Please, if you hear thunder, when thunder roars, go indoors. Very simple to keep you and your family safe. A vehicle, a good alternative. If you're outside and you're stuck, crouch low to the ground. Crouch into a ball on the balls of your feet. Round yourself. Minimize your contact with the ground. Do not take shelter under trees. And most importantly, stay away from water. So hopefully a little bit about how lightning forms and what you need to do to keep you and your family safe.
Remember, for a closer look into the daily weather, the 10 Weather Impact Show is streaming right now on 10 TV Plus. New episodes drop every weekday at 2 in the afternoon. Just download the app on your TV to watch for free anytime.